Yo, what is going on, Mafia? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to reveal to you a secret dropshipping brand that's low-key doing over $1 million a month, at least $1 million a month. Okay, I'm being very conservative with these numbers, and this brand hasn't been around way too long. So I want to see if there's a few things that we could take from it and just give you guys a few pointers that I've noticed. I think it's a very interesting brand, and I want to give you an example of these type of brands that are doing 7-8 figures and having huge exits, and people investing millions of dollars into their brand. So let's get started. I'm not going to take too long, but I'll have a giveaway towards the end of this video, so make sure you watch it in full. And the brand right here is called Litterbox. All right, so I did a simple Google search. You know, they got a few results, and I like just browsing on that first page to see what people are saying. And we can see this brand is being featured in Chewy. And real quick, before I go any further, I know a lot of you guys been trying to work with me. If you want to join Ecom Bootcamp and get personal mentorship from me with 2 weekly live calls, one-on-one coaching calls, and my full TikTok ad strategy, go ahead and check the description. I'll leave a link for you to book a call. See if it's a good fit if you want to join. For this brand right here, I mean, let's do a simple Google keyword search. So if you guys don't know, if you have a Google Ads account, what you could do is come into your Google Ads and you could just go into a section called Tools, Keyword Planner, and then it's gonna open up a screen like this. And then what you could do is just type in the name of that brand, right? So we'll go Litterbox, and we'll go through the website and see what their traffic is as well. But I just want to see what the demand is for this product. And as you can see right here, we have over 60,000 monthly searches for this. So 60,000 people every single month are typing in this keyword, and then the first thing that shows is this brand's products. All right, and if you guys haven't noticed already, it's like a automated self-cleaning litter box. All right, it's a very high ticket price. A lot of people are probably afraid to tap into the high ticket products. I honestly wouldn't suggest selling these type of products on TikTok because people aren't gonna spend that much, you know, just off of one TikTok scrolling, right? They're gonna see your product, they're gonna have to be familiar, do the Google searches, they want to get a lot of information, and I think this brand does a very good job at displaying that information in a very fun and consumable way for the customer, right? So if you come here, they have their branded images, but don't be intimidated, y'all. This doesn't mean that they just woke up one day and they was able to they started the brand right off the bat like this. They tested products out. I can guarantee you any big brand that you see doing 8 figures, you know, even 9 figures, they started off doing 100K, right? So before this brand actually blew up to be what it is, I can assure you that they didn't have high quality images like this, right? The shipping times probably wasn't the best. They were still trying to get the product better. And I can assume that based off of just the name, right? If we look at Litter Robot 4, that implies that they had a 1, a 2, and a 3, right? So they had to constantly improve their product. So that's something that I want you guys to take note of. If you're gonna build a brand to 7 figures, you're gonna have to constantly improve the product and listen to customer feedback. Right here, we can see they have over 2,715 reviews, averaging about 4 stars. So there's a few people that don't like it, right? And we can see exactly what they had to say. But let's go into the 1 star and see what people had. So I've had entirely too many issues with this unit. It'll turn red for no reason and stop in the middle of a cycle. So some people have been having product issues, but you could take a look at the brand's response and see how they plan to handle that, right? And you can model after this. Success leaves clues. So that's why I like doing, you know, little case studies like this to find out what brands are doing things successfully and how can you model after that and implement those things into your dropshipping store. So they got some animated images here like GIFs. So for your dropshipping store, include any GIFs that you can. If you have any type of content that you've been just holding off on the side, planning to use it for ads, maybe it might do better on your store itself, right? Just use it as an ad or a GIF. Looks like they also have an app. I'm sure that they didn't just start off creating an app first. They built out the product and then got to it. But you know, based off of the keyword searches, I mean, look, self-cleaning litter box, 74,000 searches every single month. Right, so there's obviously a huge demand for this product, and we're getting around almost 2 million monthly searches for this product right here, just this product alone. And they're capturing all of this organic traffic off of, you know, SEO data. So, you know, high price point, nice quality images. If we look on AliExpress to find some alternatives, the best ones we're gonna get is something like this, or like this, which costs about $269, but we can see that they're selling theirs for around $699, almost $1,000. honestly, I'm sure with shipping, if you was to get warranty as well, you'd be spending close to $1,000 for this, right? And you can do that when you brand stuff. So that's part of the benefit of branding, is that you're going to be able to charge a premium price, and your customer's not going to mind because they know that they can trust you. All right, so we'll estimate the numbers and see exactly what they're converting based off of SpyFu. So here's a nice website for you guys. If you know SpyFu, you could take a domain of any website, and then you could go and paste it in right here and just do a simple search, and it'll give you all the data on the monthly SEO clicks. So they're getting about 176,000 clicks every single month, just organically, just off of search engine. All right, they also have some more data that you can look at here. So some of their competitors are cats.com, excited cats, right? You can see some of the top keywords that they're using. We can see right here that their monthly ads budget is around $41,000, and this is estimated just based off the traffic that they're getting in the Google searches. But $41,000, and I'm sure they're making a crazy ROI off of that. Let's crunch the numbers here in a second, but before we get into that, I want to announce that I'm doing a giveaway. If you want to enter the giveaway for a chance to win a free one-on-one coaching call with me, and we'll look through your funnel, we'll take a look at your ads account and see how we can scale, go ahead and comment Dropshipping 2023 plus whatever comment, question, or video suggestion that you might have, and I'll pick one lucky person and announce it on my story. We've been doing this for the last few videos, and I've been really enjoying it. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit a like if you're getting some value out of this video, and I'll announce the winner in the next week on my Instagram and YouTube stories. So if we do some just basic math on this, and let's say they're getting around 176,000 organic clicks, and that's just organic, that's not their paid traffic. This is just what we can measure, which is why it's a very conservative number. Let's just say they're getting 179,573 visitors to their store, but let's just say only 1% of people buy, right? Let's be conservative, and let's include the fact that this is a very expensive product. Not their conversion rate is not going to be at a 3% or 4%, maybe, perhaps. I'm just going to be safe and save 1%. If just 1% of those people bought, that means every single month they get 1,795 customers to buy their product, which is on average, let's just put $700 on average, right? And let's just multiply that by 700, right? Let's just be very, very reserved and conservative here. That equates to around $1.2 million every single month for this brand. So, and that's being very conservative. I'm sure they're doing over 2 million. That's including repeat customers, their email list, things that we can't actually measure, and paid ads too. But I mean, if this doesn't go to show you, you probably never heard of this brand before. You probably don't care about cats, but this goes to show you that you can carve out your piece of the market anywhere, right? And I'm sure this brand hasn't been around for more than 5 years, and it's at a point right now where they're doing $1.2 million every single month. That's at least 8 figures every single year, and I'm sure this brand is going to continue to grow because the pet industry is growing. We can model after things like this as drop shippers. We don't want to just drop ship and make quick cash. We want to turn our drop shipping stores into brands. And like I said, if you want information on how to turn your drop shipping store into an actual profitable brand, go ahead and join the Econ Bootcamp. I would love to work with you. But that's all I got for this video. I'll keep it short and quick. Stay tuned for another video next week. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all soon, Mafia. Peace.